With the printer power on and the LCD display showing ready, hold down the control button for 5 seconds, then follow the LCD instructions. Open the printer lid, remove the ribbon, and close the lid. Open the card feeder cover, remove the cards, and close the cover. Insert the long cleaning card into the manual card feed slot. Wait for the cleaning process to complete. When the cleaning process is completed, the cleaning card will be ejected. Open the card feeder cover and insert the feeder cleaning card into the card feed slot. Close the card feeder cover. Wait for the cleaning process to complete. When the cleaning process is completed, open the card feeder cover and remove the cleaning cards. The cleaning process has been completed. Load the cards and close the card feeder cover. Open the printer lid, install the ribbon, and close the lid.